AerroMetry presents drones in construction. Managing a construction worksite could be a tedious task and may take a lot of input, which affects the performance of the worksite. A wrong decision can take a worksite behind the schedule and cost a huge chunk of money. Thus, having a system where you can track, manage all aspects of the worksite could be beneficial. Knowing all details can help you take decisions that could help you get the work done early and save money. Drone data analytics for construction. We are going to break down how AerroMetry can streamline workflows to save time and ultimately money by closing the information gap between you and your site. By using drone data technology, we enable construction companies to save on time and cost while increasing accuracy and safety across all stages of the construction workflow. AerroMetry's cloud-based platform. Its end-to-end photogrammetry tool. It is everything from the processing of images all the way to really hardcore analytics that solves the questions regarding worksite that I mentioned earlier. You can access from anywhere. It's all cloud-based. You can look at your data at the same time along timeline, visually compare surveys, and of course if you can see it, measure it as well. AerroMetry's unique value. AerroMetry helps worksites ask the right questions of their data to make it work hard for them. Progress. How much is done? Productivity. How fast is getting done? Quality. Am I matching plan? Cost. Am I going to make money? These are the questions. With this, we are going to help customers know your site status. See how much has done and what's left to do. AerroMetry can be used by both site personnel and the head office too. Monitor site productivity and quality. Track progress against design. Ensure safety on your site. Settle disputes easier by knowing whose moves what. Collaborate using a single source of truth. AerroMetry's Work Assign tool. Value to you. Key points. Calculate volumes accurately and quickly. Volumetrics is the most popular use case for drones on any worksite. For many construction companies that operate their own quarries, drone captured data is the affordable source of timely and accurate information on volumes. Compare your site against the design. If you are actively moving earth, regular drone surveys allow you to compare current ground levels against the plan and identify anything going off track. Track your progress and productivity. By using drone data technology, we enable construction companies to save on time and cost while increasing accuracy and safety across all stages of the construction workflow. Inspect your assets remotely, faster. Resolve disputes more easily. Export data into third-party software. Simplify reporting. How construction can improve productivity and prepare for the future today. Digitize to take the first step in closing the productivity gap. Drones are revolutionizing the industry. drone adoption meant better construction site visuals. Catch before the status quo changes again. Advanced AI, data analytics and automatic problem diagnostics will be the tools of future construction sites. AerroMetry Drone Surveys LLP assure you our best service all time.